Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Toyota Prius C. First, ensure your vehicle is on. Locate the DISP button on your steering wheel. Press this button to cycle through the display options until you find Settings. Once Settings is highlighted, press and hold the DISP button to enter that menu. This action will bring you to the main settings screen. Now that you are in the Settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the clock adjustment. Continue pressing the DISP button until Set Clock appears on your display. When Set Clock is highlighted, press and hold the DISP button once more. This action will select the clock setting option, and you should see the hour digits begin to flash, indicating they are ready for adjustment. With the hour digits flashing, use the trip button, usually located near the DISP button, to increase or decrease the hour to the correct time. After setting the hour, press the DISP button once. This will shift the highlight to the minute digits. Again, use the trip button to adjust the minutes until they are accurate. Remember to spell out numbers like 1/4 if they were fractions. Once both the hours and minutes are set correctly, press the DISP button to move the cursor to the Return or Exit option on the screen. To finalize your changes and save the new time, press and hold the DISP button. Your Toyota Prius C's clock will now display the updated time. You can then exit the settings menu completely by holding DISP again if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.